A year ago today, a patient in Forest County was diagnosed with COVID-19. Now, that was the first case of coronavirus in our state. There was a news conference held that day, too. Walt Grayson is in the Mississippi Moment Corner with an interesting photo taken at that news conference. Walt?
Yeah, Mel, have you ever picked up an old high school annual, several years later and looked at it, and immediately you're struck with how much hairstyles and clothes styles have changed, and of course, in my case, how much older all the rest of the people that I went to school with have gotten. But my point is, times change, and things that we thought of nothing of at the time really stand out when you look back at them. Well, let's take a look back at just a year ago today. Now, remember, COVID-19 had been in the news since January of 2020, and now just a couple of months later, here in March, COVID made its way to Mississippi. And to mark that first day that a case was diagnosed, the governor and other state political and health officials held a news conference. And here is what it looked like. Take a look at this picture. Now, Mel, look at that. Does anything strike you? The first thing that hits me is how close everybody is.
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
I mean,
we haven't seen that since.
They're shoulder to shoulder. They're standing right there, sitting right. They could touch and they not only could they touch each other. I count 9 people in this photo. Today, you would have to be using a very wide-angle lens to get 9 people in a single shot because they have to be spaced so far apart. If you could even find 9 people in the same room together to begin with. I mean, no mask. No social distancing. I don't even know if social distancing was a thing yet. But it illustrates just how little we knew about COVID a year ago. And since that time, we've all gotten used to wearing our mask in the store. Even if we are not convinced they do all that much good, there's still a chance they might, so we wear them anyway. And we've learned to go to the doctor on our computers, and the kids have learned to go to school on their computers, and we've gone to work at least a few times on our computers. And we've had trimmed down birthdays and Thanksgivings and Christmases, and we've seen the number of cases go from that single case on this day a year ago up to over 3,000 cases in a single day at its peak in Mississippi. But you know what else we've seen here? Just lately, those cases here in Mississippi have dropped significantly from that all-time high. And a bunch of us have had our shots, and we're learning more about how to deal with COVID all the time. And we're still all in this together, although we're still not able to get close enough to get 9 of us together in one frame of video yet. At least not yet, at least.